Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I am going to tell you how you can fix your Bluetooth problem in your device Xiaomi Redmi Note 10T. So if you're facing any problem related to Bluetooth in your device Xiaomi Redmi Note 10T, you can fix it by following the few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can fix Bluetooth problem in your device.